Respected students, today I start EXP 22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space. And before starting this assignment, I introduce myself. I am a teacher and help you in Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, assess mathematics and accounting assignment quizzes and all your exams. You can contact with me at my WhatsApp and my email address with very reasonable price. I do all of your work. Basically, I belong to a teacher community, so I relate with you as a teacher student relation. Any needy students are not paying student, I will also cooperate with you as low price as he or she can do. Now, without wasting your time, I start the today assignment, and this is the title of the assignment, and this is the little description about this assignment. Now I start its first step, and first of this step is that just we have to download EXP22 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space Docs, and then open it and work on this file. Okay, this is the file already I downloaded, and we have to work on this assignment. This is the assignment. No, okay, now I move toward its next step, and its next step is that select underwater astronaut trainer in the first body paragraph and bold it. Okay, I see in the first paragraph underwater astronaut trainer and bolted. This is the underwater astronaut trainer, and just we have to bolt it. Okay, this is bolted, and now I see the further instruction. Select thermal design challenge in the first body paragraph and bolted. Okay, thermal design challenge. This is the thermal design challenge, and just bolted. This is the bolted. Okay, this is the instruction I follow. And next, select all text from Space Academy on page 1 through pack your bags on page 2. Okay, once again I study. Select all text from Space Academy on page 1 through pack your bags on page 2 and change the font to Cambria with font size 14. Okay, from Space Academy to pack your bags on page 2. This is the Space Academy on first page, and till pack your bags on page 2. This is the pack your bags on page 2. Till this I just select it, and what I have to do, I once again study. Select all text from Space Academy on page 1 through pack your bags on page 2, and then change the font to Cambria. Okay, firstly I change the font to Cambria. Move here, and this is the Cambria. Okay, I change its font size, and next is that Cambria with a font size of 14. Now I change its font size. Its font size should be 14. Okay, I change its font size, and further instruction says that change the alignment of selected text to justify. Okay, now alignment should be justified, and this is the justified. Just click on here. Okay, this is justified. This is the step number 2 that I completed till now. Now I move toward the step number 3, and I read the step number 3. Select the bulleted activities in Space Academy section on page 1 and adjust line spacing to 1.15. Okay, I select the bulleted activities on Space Academy section and increase its size to 1.15. This is the Space Academy, and these are the bulleted line. Their line spacing should be 1.15. This is a 1.1. Just click on it. Okay, and further instruction, ensure that paragraph spacing before and after 0 pt for the selected paragraph. Okay, now it should be 0 pt. For this, go to paragraph, and it should be before and after should be 0, and just OK it. Okay, this is the step number 3 so far. I completed the 3 step. Now I move toward the 4th step. I read the instruction. Instruction says that use format painter to copy the format of the bulleted atoms in the Space Academy section to bulleted atom in the Space Camp section and also in the Adult Space section. Okay. Now I use the format painter and copy to the bulleted atoms, and this applied to the Space Academy, applied to the Space Camp section and also Adult Space Academy section. Okay, using the format painter. Respected student, this is the format painter. I just format painter and apply in the Space Camp. This is the Space Camp. Okay, and after that instruction says that also apply on the Adult Space Academy. Once again I copy, once again I use format painter, and it should be apply on the Adult Space Academy bulleted section. Okay. Okay, this is the step number 4 so far. I completed the 4 of its attempt. All my dear student, I can do all of your courses, assignment and exam related to Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Word, SAM, accounting, finance. Basically, I am the IT teacher, and related to IT subject like Excel, PowerPoint, Word, SAM, you can contact with me. I can handle your all project, all assignment, quizzes and exams with very reasonable price. If any student is needy and not in a position to afford my charges, I can also help in very minimum charges. Now I start the step number 5 of this assignment, and assignment says that select the that are shown above the boxes area at the end of the document, beginning with sign up online and ending with pack your bags. Okay. Apply numbering and select number that are followed by period. Decrease the indent so that the atom begin at left margin. Okay, dear students, we have to just firstly select the final three paragraphs that are shown above box area, starting from beginning with sign up online and end with the pack your bags. Okay, sign up online and pack your bag. This is the data that I have selected so far, and what I have to do with this, apply numbering and selecting the number that are followed by a period. Okay, I applied number that start with the period. I applied number that start with the period. Okay, this is the number and that start with the period. Okay, this is the first step of this, and further what instruction says, and decrease the indent so that atom begin at the left margin. Now I decrease it indent. This is the indent. Now decrease it once again, and okay, this is in C on the left margin. Now I completed the 5-hour step. Now I move toward the sixth step of this assignment. Display the ruler color. Display the ruler. Okay, firstly I display ruler. Display the ruler. Okay, for this I go to the review tab. View tab, and already ruler is applied here. Okay, now further instruction what says, click or select the blank paragraph above the border text at the end of document. Okay, for this I have to firstly move to the home tab and click on the showed paragraph, and this is the empty paragraph. Okay, click here and press enter. Set left tab at 1 inch and right tab at 6 inch. Show that the right tab include a dash ladder. Ensure that the font is 14 pt Cambria. Okay. Okay. Enter a set left tab at 1 inches and right tab at 6 inches. Ensure that right tab include a dash ladder. Ensure that font size is 14 pt Cambria. Firstly, we have to set left tab at 1 inch. For this, go to the paragraph, go to the tab and press here 1 inch, and this should be the left, and set it. Okay, now instruction says 6 inches right tab, and this is the right, and this is the ladder, and set it and make it okay. This is the step that we followed, step number 6 so far. And also instruction says that ensure the right tab include a dash ladder. Okay, and ensure that font is 14 pt Cambria, and now its size should be 14 pt Cambria. Firstly I click on the Cambria and it should be 14. Okay, so far I completed 6 of its steps. Now I move toward the 7th step. And what the 7 instruction says, press tab and type space adventure. Press tab and type space adventure. Okay, I press the tab and just space adventure, type space adventure. Space adventure. Okay, and its size should be, after that I will set its size, it should be 14 and Cambria. 14 and Cambria. Okay, next instruction says, press tab and type Davidson Space Center. Davidson Space Center. Press tab and Davidson Space Center. I once again press tab. Okay, and Davidson, just press here. I just remove the highlightation. Okay, this is the step number 6 so far. And drag or move the 6 inches tab back to 5.5 on the ruler. Now I change the ruler to 5.5. 6. Firstly it was 6. Now I change it to 5.5. Okay, this is the 5.5. This is the further instruction of this step, and bold the tabled line of the text. Now I bold the tabled line of the text. Now I bold the line just. Just bolded. Already it is bolded. Okay. This is the step number 7 so far. Now I completed 7 of its assignment step, and total assignment have 19 step. Any my student need complete solution of this assignment, contact with me, I will provide you. I try to solve it 50% or 60% of assignment. Now I start the uh, point number 8, and point number 8 says that select table line of text and apply box border, and choosing first double line style and 3 by 4 pt width. Okay, now select the table line of the text and apply a box border, choosing the first double line style and 3 by 4 pt size. Now we have to apply box border and double line border and 3 by 4 its width. Okay, dear student, for this I go to the border. Sorry. I go to the box. I remove it. I Okay. For this, I go to the box and then go to the border and shading, and then click on the box. And after clicking the box, I increase its size to 3 by 4 pt width, and it's a double line border. And this is the double line. Click here and just OK it. This I applied double line border with 3 by 4 PT. Now I completed 8 of its steps. Now I move toward the point number 9 of this assignment, and point number 9 says that select the Space Camp program heading at the top of the document. Insert word art choosing fill gray accent color 3 sharp bevel row 2 column 5. Ensure that the size of the word art heading is 36. Okay, firstly I have to select the heading Space Camp program and apply the accent color 3 sharp bevel row 3, and this should be in the word art gallery. And after that we have to ensure its font size should be 36. Dear student, this is the heading. This is the heading, and I just select this heading, and I go to the word art gallery, and this is in the insert option, and this is the word art gallery, and this is the fill gray 50% accent 3 sharp bevel. Click here, and after clicking here I go to the and further says that its size should be ensure that size of the word art heading is 36. Now I make its size 36, and already it is 36. Okay, already it is 30. Okay, this is the heading we applied, just I change it. Okay, dear student, now so far I completed the 9 of his step. This assignment have total 19 step, and almost 50% to 60% of assignment I have completed so far. Any of my student need solution of this assignment or any other Excel assignment, PowerPoint assignment, SAM assignment, accounting assignment, you can contact with me. I provide you solution of single assignment or full courses with very reasonable price. Thank you for watching, and I request you to convey my message to all of students. Thank you very much.